Hey friends! Welcome back to WoW Games. Today we will play something really funny, Choose Your Gift Challenge. Stick around till the end to see how lucky you are. Good luck! Choose your first gift. Next one. Number 3. I hope you picked the right gift. Next gift. Which car did you get? Tell us in the comments. You are doing great. Number 6. Which one? Choose wisely. Next gift. If you're enjoying this video, then click on that like button. Next one. Number 10. Choose wisely. Choose a gift. Choose a gift. I hope you picked the right gift. Next gift. Number 14. Choose one gift. What gift are you taking? Left, middle, or the right one? You are doing great. Choose one gift. Like this video if you picked the right gift. Which one? Left, middle, or the right one? Which bike did you get? Tell us in the comments. Number 19. Choose wisely. Awesome! Next gift. Next one. You are doing great. Choose wisely. What gift are you taking? Choose a gift. Next gift. I hope you picked the right gift. Next one. Choose wisely. What gift are you taking? Choose one gift. Next gift. I hope you picked the right gift. Number 31. Which one? What gift are you taking? Left, middle, or the right one? Choose one gift. Next gift. You are doing great. Choose wisely. I hope you picked the right gift. Pick your next challenge and don't forget to subscribe to watch more exciting quizzes. See you in the next video.